We're framing Toby and running over Meredith with our car. That's right, it's the Office Downsizing Game from Spin Master. This Dunder Mifflin deduction mystery pits 5 to 10 players divided into 2 factions against each other in an effort to get Michael to fire someone from the other team. The Scranton branch is getting shut down and some people are being promoted to corporate, while others, and Michael, are getting laid off. If Michael and his allies can fire one of the soon-to-be promoted employees, they win. If Michael fires one of the soon-to-be laid-off anyway employees, the promotion team wins. Setup begins with assigning ID cards. Depending on the number of players in the game, pull that many ID cards, one of which must be Michael. Shuffle them face down and give one to each player, who then reveals it and takes the matching character attribute card. Next, pull out one envelope for each player except Michael. These will determine secretly which team everyone is assigned to. First, consult the team breakdown table in the rulebook, and for each player on Team Promotion, fill one envelope with 2 green incident cards and 1 red incident card. Fill the remaining envelopes with 2 red incident cards and 1 green incident card. These will be for Team Michael. Shuffle the filled envelopes and give one to each player except Michael. Everyone looks at their incident cards privately to determine their team. Next, the player who last sent an email in real life is the first leader, who takes the dry erase marker. Leadership will move clockwise during gameplay. Finally, before gameplay begins, all players must close their eyes. On the leader's count of 3, the players on Team Promotion, 2 green and 1 red card, open their eyes and reveal themselves to each other. The leader waits 5 seconds or so, has everyone close their eyes again, counts to 3, and everyone opens their eyes. Now you're ready to play. Gameplay occurs over 5 rounds, each labeled by the American Workweek: Mon, Tues, Wed, Thurs, Fry. On Monday through Thursday, the leader is in charge of reading an email card, resolving its effect, and then forming a secret committee for that day. Shuffle the email cards and create a deck in the center of the table. First up, the leader reads the top email card from the deck. These cards have various effects, including changing the leader, allowing players to peek in envelopes, and more. After resolving its effects, the leader must pick players to form the secret committee. Based on the committee members' table, consult the columns for number of players and day of the week to determine how many players to choose. Once formed, the committee chooses one player whose card they will investigate. The chosen player allows a committee member to look at one of their incident cards at random. The committee member then announces to the group the card they viewed, either green or red, and records it on the calendar. Obviously, the secret committee member doesn't have to tell the truth. Gameplay continues Monday through Thursday until it's the end of the week with Friday. On Friday, we have the Dundie Awards. Michael automatically becomes the leader and draws a Dundie card, giving it to the player he finds most deserving. Dundie cards award a perk or disadvantage for the end game. Players now deliberate on who they think is on Team Promotion. Michael chooses when this deliberation ends, then he initiates a finger gun standoff to decide who he wants fired. Michael counts to 3 and all players point both their finger guns at a player they suspect of being on the promoted team. If it's a tie, there's another standoff, pointing finger guns at only the players involved in the tie. Michael is the ultimate tiebreaker if needed. The selected player is fired and must reveal all of their incident cards. If they were on Team Promotion, then Team Michael wins. If they were on Team Michael, then Team Promotion wins. And that's the Office Downsizing Game. I'm Becca Scott, and I could do this all day long. That's what she said. You can watch me and my friends play this game and other awesome games on Game the Game, right here on Geek and Sundry. We'll see you there.